Are you seeing errors created by the Ocsetuphlp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. As we prepare to fix Ocsetuphlp Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Ocsetuphlp Library, the optional component setup helper. It facilitates the localized installation states for Windows features, like Hyper-V or IIS. It bridges localized user requests to the underlying component-based servicing CBS engine. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Ocsetuphlp Library DLL and restore stability. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Ocsetuphlp library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Ocsetuphlp Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Ocsetuphlp Library and system health. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Ocsetuphlp Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.